What's going on, guys? Smoke here with Loudpent ENT, coming to you with another episode of the High Report. And this week, or this day, or whatever it is, or whenever you may find this video, we have Hemperial Leaf. Finally, man, we get to go ahead and test out the hemp-derived Delta 8 products from Hemperial Leaf. They were the good people over there, man, that sent us down some goodies all the way from Mount Dora, Florida. So, I mean, they're not local to me, but they're local to my state. I appreciate it, man, as Floridians, or I don't know if you're a Floridian or not, but we gotta stick together regardless, you know what I'm saying, man? So, we're gonna start it out real slow, like, we're gonna go ahead and review these things one at a time, starting off with the very first thing that I seen in the box, and that's gonna be the 1 gram pre-roll 2-pack. Oh yeah, Juicy Fruits number 2. Interesting, there's 2 joints, it's number 2, huh. Now this says here it is a CBD 18.28%. Oh man, that means my muscles better me melon and gelin', if you know what I'm saying, man. Oh, I miss those commercials. Don't you miss those commercials, guys? There's 2 in here, so I think we're gonna go ahead and save one of these for a vlog video. I'm probably gonna record that right after this one. We're just gonna go ahead and just say fucking smoke 2 joints bike to bike. You can get all these products here online, just so you know, at hemperialleaf.com. I don't know about fruity. Don't really feel or smell the fruitiness of it. But they look fantastic. This one looks like it could be a full gram, like, I don't know, dude. These are half grams? I feel like I don't even roll joints this big. You know what I mean? And I'm about to smoke 2 of these back to back. Preacher, please. I don't know why I felt like doing it. It was a weird moment for me too. I'm still getting over COVID. It's been about a month into COVID, man. I can smell and taste some things. It's coming back. That's why I decided to go slow with these, man, because I do feel like my smell is here. I do feel like my taste is here. It's just not as strong, so I kind of gotta get right up on it, you know what I'm saying, man? But it's not really, it doesn't really have like a crazy smell here. I made sure to smell some weed and some other stuff before I even did this, to just double check and make sure the sniffle was working, you know what I'm saying, man? It kind of smells like I got some shrooms rolled up here for some reason. Like, shrooms don't smell bad. If you think that's bad terminology, maybe I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, not so much on the smell, guys, but one thing I will give them, bro, Hemperial Leaf, they go hard body, guys. They got us with the raw tips, man, so it's only safe to assume that these are raw papers, you know what I'm saying? That means it's all hemp derived, if you're feeling what I'm putting down. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, man, like I'm picking up this joint, then you know what I'm saying, man. Alright, guys, they do feel a little tight, so we're gonna go ahead and loosen them up just a tad bit. That way we feel like we can get a little bit more flow in there. Just a little bit, not too much. We don't want to take away from its original roll. Kind of get that flat head on it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, guys, we're gonna wet slightly the outside. Alright, here we go. Now remember, guys, this is hemp-derived Delta 8. You can learn all about Delta 8 in our video where we did the research right here. Oh, I don't know how to put my finger on it. because it doesn't necessarily taste like like weed, but it doesn't taste like it's not weed. Does that make sense? I feel like it's kind of clearing up my sinuses. Like, I had a stuffy nose about a third of the way through the joint, guys, and my body feels really relaxed. Like, normally I sit with my back like a certain way. My back is constantly in pain. Like, constantly in pain, guys. It doesn't really matter what I do, because I work at a computer desk, and then when I come home I edit videos at a computer desk, and then when I'm not doing that, guess what I'm doing? The only time I have any type of free time for myself is when I either play a video game or I watch a show. One of these things also consists of me being at my desk. Therefore, the vast majority of the things that I do happen at my desk, or at a desk, you know what I mean, near a computer screen, in front of a camera of some sort, of some type of screen. They also had these on sale, I seen on their website, guys. It was very cool, man. I was giving them a look. I was doing some research on Hemperial Leaf, and they are just a very dope company, man. I was reading the little descriptions. Like, here's the description that they put for the joints. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's so nice, it's so cool. Like, they seem very laid back, you know what I'm saying? Now, this stuff is nice, man. It's not getting me high in the traditional sense, but it's like, it's easing all my little aches and pains. Now, of course, it's not gonna take away the big aches and pains, you know, if like I had a severed arm, you know, a joint of CBD or Delta 8 is not gonna help me there. With the pain that I get, you know, regularly, just, you know, from doing what I gotta do, just the body aches, you know, and the cramps and anything like that. This is definitely knocking it out. Sometimes, you know, THC actually does the opposite effect of easing the aches and pains. Like, not all the weed that we smoke have the specific terpenes that actually aid, you know, certain pains. So it's very nice when you're able to at least have an alternative so that you can ease those aches and pains, because we don't want to we don't want to take pills for muscle pain, you know what I mean? You don't want muscle relaxers, bro. You don't need them. This is your muscle relaxer right here, man. A nice smooth Delta 8 CBD hemp derived joint. For me, I'm a regular smoker, so I'm not really getting too buzzed here, but I'm definitely feeling the relief. And that in itself, to me, I don't know if you remember from a previous video where I said, you know, just pain relief in itself is like a high, you know, because it is. You have to learn how to be grateful for the things that provide you with relief, even if it doesn't, you know, make you intoxicated. I like how it's not having like too harsh of a kick on my lungs either. You know, I do have a mild asthma. CBD, this CBD joint is definitely helping to ease that pain. I don't think that there's much Delta 8 in here, or if there is, I can't really tell. We're definitely gonna have to keep going on the other products. Now, we do have Delta 8 Keef Nugs, which I am extremely excited to try out. They said 29% Delta 8 THC. I'm definitely vibing with this, man. Unfortunately, this does not provide me with a very euphoric effect. However, it's okay, man. Like I said, this isn't always about the high, even though this is the high report. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and end this one here, man. Like I said, we're definitely gonna we're not gonna give this this doesn't get huge reviews on the smell aspect. The taste, even, it wasn't really like huge tastefully, but it was very relieving, very calming. I am definitely chilling out here, man. Maybe I even do feel somewhat of a euphoric buzz off of that. Like, I feel nice, man. I feel mellow, you know? Like, I don't feel overwhelmed or crazy. You know what I mean? This is definitely a fantastic alternative, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you coming out, checking us out, clicking that link, watching the video, man, giving us a look. I love y'all from the bottom of my lungs. The joint went out. Peace.